Previously on MonsterTamer, in Season 1, we built a feature-packed Pokémon-style-like RPG from scratch using Phaser 3 and JavaScript. Starting with a simple tile map and player movement, we created a living, breathing monster world. We added random wild encounters, a full turn-based battle system, catching mechanics, animated attacks, and a working party system. Along the way, we built a custom UI framework for menus and dialogue, and added inventory and items, and created a full save load system. With over 140 episodes, we built systems for monster stats, events, different encounter areas, leveling, and more. And now, the adventure continues.